Why do the prices for things keep rising? Today's 100 ringgits can't even afford a fraction of the things it could purchase in the 1980s. This is because currencies lose value over time. You realize that you work more to earn more, yet the money buys less as time progresses. As a result, the conventional savings account fails and your money in the bank shrinks every day. Inflation is a silent killer. Inflation is mainly caused by money printing. Governments all over the globe do this. As more money is printed, the more people suffer from inflation. You should save your wealth. I better invest, you say. Not so fast. Investments come with inherent risks. Wish there was a way to protect your savings from inflation and turn it into something that is secured, stable, and lasting? Behold the beauty of gold. Gold has heavily influenced human history. Gold fueled everything from empires to religion and trading. But because gold is a limited natural resource that could not be reproduced, humans have substituted the precious metal with paper currency. Nothing but paper and ink. When a currency value drops, gold's value rises. In the past 15 years, gold has risen 580% in value. How does one start saving gold? Gold jewelry, which has a final retail price that's marked up? Jewelry is not saving, it is spending. Some save in the form of paper gold. Paper gold is just another form of trading currency. You do not own any gold. However, buying physical gold bars or bullions will give you the problems of storage and transaction. Is your gold safe? Is your gold well insured? Most banks don't cover the full value of your gold, which is why we created Quantum Metal Gold Storage Account. Quantum Metal Gold Storage Account is a 24/7 online saving system that is 100% backed by internationally recognized 99.99% pure physical gold. Ours is a user-friendly system that allows you to transform your currency into gold. We give you complete control of your savings, make deposits, withdraw cash, or even physical gold. Example, if you deposit 1,000 ringgit into a quantum metal system, it will exchange your 1,000 ringgit into gold based on the current gold price. At the same time, your gold will be stored in the Brinks Vault in Singapore. Brinks is a New York Stock Exchange company with 150 years of history. Brinks acts as a third-party vault to protect your gold under Quantum Metal Gold Storage Account. Your gold is 100% insured by Lloyd's of London. Assuming gold price has gone up to 236 ringgits per gram, the gold you deposited with 1,000 ringgit previously is now RM 1300. You can decide to store it for a longer time, or you can cash out in ringgit or into your foreign bank account in any currency you need. You can also withdraw physical gold in Malaysia or in our international supporting bullion house. Behold our international supporting bullion partner. Your wealth gets international recognition with Quantum Metal. Gold is not heavy anymore. Anywhere, anytime, anyone. Start your account now with just 250 ringgit with 1 gram of gold. Unleash the full potential of your wealth. Find out how to start an account now at www.quantummetal.com.
All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, account holders. Good morning, guests. No, from Cebu, Manila, Iloilo, Bacolod, Cagayan de Oro, Butuan, Oroqueta, Ozamis, Iligan, um, Negros, no, and of course, USA. Meron din tayo sa sa Cebu, and of course Cebu and London, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada. Welcome po sa Quantum Metal, no? So my name is Erwin Escudero, one of the consultants here in Quantum Metal. So for the guests, no, I'll make sure na tonight na hindi po kayo makakatulog mamayang gabi. So yun po ang mission ko ngayon, no? For the guests, no? So my mission again is I'll make sure you cannot sleep tonight, okay? Because of gold, okay? So let's start, no? Let's start. So I'd like to acknowledge some of the consultants, no? Consultants. We have consultants from Cagayan de Oro, Ma'am Ruby. We have consultants from Cebu, Mamalu, is Jillian, no? Meron pa hindi na mention dyan, no? So we have other consultants from Oroqueta, Ma'am Violeta. Sino pa dito? Okay. So thank you for joining us. All right, no? So let's start. So I'll share my screen. Dali po share ko lang ang screen. Okay. All right. Let's start. Preserve and enhance your wealth with gold. So why are we talking about gold? Okay, so number one, it's a precious metal and limited natural resources. So we know gold is very expensive to mine, no? On the average, kailangan mo mag-mine ng 1 ton. No? 1 ton of soil, we have to move 1 ton of soil to get just 2 grams of gold. And use as money to exchange and represent wealth. So if we go back to history, the real money is gold. It's not the paper money that we have because yung paper money natin is just a representation. It's just a claim stub na meron tayong gold na nilagay sa bangko. Pero dumating yung panahon, the government decided we use the paper money because it's fungible, divisible, and portable yung paper money, no? So we use the paper money as a mode of payment, no? So ang agreement is we print money basta merong store na gold sa bangko. Pero dumating yung panahon, they printed twice the paper money kahit lang isa lang po nakapondo sa bangko, no? Isang gold lang. And then dumating yung panahon, they printed so much money without even a backup of gold, no? So yun ang nangyayari ngayon ng US dollar, no? 1971, President Nixon took out the gold standard. So wala na pong backup na gold yung US dollar. So ano po nangyari? They printed so money, no? Printed so much money, no? Especially during pandemic. They printed so much money without even a backup of gold. So ano po nangyari ngayon? Nagkaka-world inflation po tayo, no? Overprinting of money. US and other countries printed trillions of dollars, no? So wala na pong backup na gold, no? Okay. Store of value and it does not corrode, di ba? And the real meaning of money is, number one, it must be a store of value, a unit of account, and a medium of exchange, no? So kailangan may three qualities yan, no? Store of value. Pero dito pa lang, bagsak na yung pera natin. Because the paper money natin, pag ni-store natin sa vault, for 10 years, nawawala po yung value, no? Pero ang gold, if we store that in a vault, for 10 years, tumataas yung value. So the real money is gold, no? Hindi yung paper money natin, no? Okay. Portfolio diversification with negative correlation to stocks and other financial instruments. So, ang gold, hindi po sumasabay sa movement ng real estate, ng stock market, and other financial instruments. Why? because gold has its own value. No? Merong sariling value ang gold. So if you put your money on real estate, you rely on rentals. If you put your money on stocks, you rely on profits. If you put your money on gold, you do not rely on anything because the value is there, no? Hedge against inflation and fiat currency, no? Alam naman natin, no? Every time there is crisis, people tend to transfer the wealth to gold kasi it's a hedge against inflation, no? Especially during this time, no? My crisis, no? Marami pong bumibili ng gold ngayon, no? We have observed that, for example, other countries like China, Russia, Turkey, other countries are buying so much gold today, no? Because it's a hedge against inflation, no? Okay, inflation, no? The key word is inflation. So, binabaliwala po natin yung inflation, pero alam nyo ba, no? 98% na pala ng pera natin wala na pong value, meaning our 1,000 pesos in 1980, we need 23,000 today, no? So yun po ang nawala na value sa pera natin, no? Imagine, our 1,000, we need 23,000 today, no? Okay. And tax-free advantage, maraming tax-free ang advantage ng gold. And this is the performance of gold, no? It's the real data. Ito, real data po ito. Performance of gold over 10-year period, no? You can see here, the price is always an uptrend, no? So, tumataas talaga yung presyo ng gold. 2008, the price of gold was just around 900,000 per kilo. Last year, it went up to 3.5 million per kilo. You know, and early this year, ito po, 4.2 million per kilo. And as of today, it's 4.6 million per kilo, no? So tumataas talaga yung presyo ng gold. Okay. Buying gold is an exchange of currency, no? If we buy gold, we are just exchanging our money with gold. But if we buy jewelry, we are spending. Why spending? Because if we buy jewelry, we are paying for the labor, the craftsmanship, the workmanship, and the markup of the dealer. Kasali na yun, binabayaran natin yung markup ng dealer, no? So it will end up more expensive if we buy if we buy jewelry. But if we buy gold bullion, no? Ito yung nire-recommend natin, you buy the gold bullion because ang gold bullion is a pure gold. So what you're paying for is the real value of your gold, no? So in-exchange mo lang yung pera mo with gold. Okay. So the name of the company is Quantum Metal. We started in business in 2012. The largest gold bar supplier in Malaysia. So we provide only bullion gold. So wala po tayong 22K, 18K, 14K na gold because we're only dealing with pure gold. 99.99 pure gold. And our gold are certified gold, no, by LBMA, London Bullion Market Association. So the only certified refineries in the Pilipinas is the Central Bank of the Philippines lang, no? So lahat po ng gold ng Quantum Metal are certified gold, 99.99 pure gold, no? And Quantum Metal is in 16 countries, expanding to 60 countries around the world. We own a mining company and also a bullion bank based in Australia. And also some of the mining companies, no? Nagpa-fund po si Quantum Metal like Sercel, Vantage, Bestra, no? Nagpa-fund po si Quantum Metal. And Quantum Metal is also Sharia compliant, no? So ito ay Islamic law. I will explain it later, no? Sharia compliant po tayo. Now in the Philippines as Quantum Metal Philippines Incorporated. So our first office in the Philippines, no? Ito po ang nasa Cebu City, Ayala, no? First office. The second one is in Ortigas, Manila. The third one is in Butuan. The fourth one will be in Cagayan de Oro. And the fifth one will be in Davao, no? So we are expanding all over the Philippines also. Okay. So here you can see here on the left side, this is Dato Lim Kong Soon. He is the founder and executive chairman of Quantum Metal, no? So he's based in Penang, Malaysia. And also on the right side, you can see here Dato Lim with Muhammad Marin, no? Si Muhammad Marin po ay isang Cebuano po, no? Kaya po naidala po yung business here in the Philippines because he saw the opportunity if he can bring Quantum Metal in the Philippines, no? Marami talagang matutulungan na Filipinos. Kaya po nag-start po tayo sa Cebu. Okay. And our company is Nasdaq listed, no? Imagine Quantum Metal is listed in Nasdaq, no? Alam natin yung Nasdaq is the king of stocks exchange, no? When you're a tech company around the world, you have to be listed in Nasdaq. Just like Google, Apple, Microsoft, Tesla, Meta, di ba? Nakalist po siya dito sa Nasdaq. As well as Quantum Metal Exchange Inc., no? Nakalist po tayo dyan, no? So it's not easy to be listed in Nasdaq. Your company must be solid, no? Must have a top-notch management before tayo malist sa Nasdaq. Okay. And our third-party storage facilities, Brinks, no? So Brinks is not under any bank, no? In any banking system because third-party storage facility lang po ito, no? Third-party storage vault. So it operates around the world also. In 150 years na po ito na company. In 110 countries. We also have it here in the Philippines, sa Manila, sa Cebu, sa Davao, no? So dito po sa Pilipinas, sila po nag-handle ng mga pera natin na ihahatid po sa mga ATM machines and some of the banks, no? Kaya napapansin nyo, we also have noticed na marami ding mga armored cars, no? May markings na Brinks, no? Okay, but Quantum Metal chose Bring Singapore because of the tax advantage in Singapore, no? Okay, and our goal is 100% insured with Lloyd's of London. So Lloyd's of London is a top reinsurer company, the ultimate reinsurer company, no? They even insured before the Titanic, no? And recently the Baltimore Maryland Bridge, no? Yung bumagsak na bridge, si Lloyd's po ang nag-insure noon, no? So reliable po itong Lloyd's and our gold is 100% insured with Lloyd's of London. And Quantum Metal is also an exclusive distributor of Perth Mint Gold. So Perth Mint is a 99.99 pure gold guaranteed by the government of Australia. So if you have this kind of gold anywhere you go around the world, this is accepted because this is now the top two brand of gold bullions, no gold bars. Ang Perth Mint, it's a 99.99 pure gold. Okay. So, our company, no, ito yung mga licenses natin sa Pilipinas. Of course, we are certified, we are registered under SEC. So, under Quantum Metal Philippines Incorporated, no? So, our business model is we are not an investment company. We are a trading company, no? Bumibili po kayo ng gold, meron po tayong exchange, no? Actual exchange of physical gold, no? Okay. And BIR registration, mayor's permit, and of course, we are AMLA certified company. No, hindi po basta-basta makuha ng AMLA, no? Kailangan po i-register muna natin sa AMLC, no, your company, para makuha ng certification. Okay. So, a while ago, I mentioned to you, we are Sharia compliant. So, what is Sharia law? Sharia law is an Islamic financial rules, very strict than the banking system sa Pilipinas. Why? No? Maraming prohibitions po si Sharia. Number one, bawal po mag-charge ng interest dito sa Quantum Metal, no? So, paying or charging of interest is prohibited. Second is, businesses involved in forbidden activities like gambling, pornography, unlawful activities, drug money, bawal po dito sa Quantum Metal. Third one is uncertainty and risk, no? Meaning, we are not selling something we do not have. We are not selling something we do not own. Bawal po yan, magbibenta ng wala doon, wala dyan, wala ka makikita. So, we are not selling a digital. We are not selling a promise. No, the moment you put in money in Quantum Metal, meron pong exchange of physical gold because we are a trading company. Meron pong exchange, no? Meron lang po kayong option. Either you want to get your physical gold or you will leave it in Brinks or leave it in your account, no? So, nasa option nyo yan, no? Fourth one is speculation. So, there is no promise of profit dito sa Quantum Metal. Wala po kaming sinasabi na we will double your money in few days, few weeks, few months. We are not saying you'll earn 100%, 50%, or 100,000 a month, 50,000 a month. Kahit na piso po, walang promise si Quantum Metal, no? Because bawal po dito sa Sharia law, no? So, At the moment that you put in money, no, walang promise of profit because we always rely on the price of gold sa world market. Kung tataas yung presyo ng gold, profitable yung business natin, then mag-profit sharing tayo, no? Ito yung tinatawag sa Sharia law na shared prosperity, no? Meron para sa company, meron din para sa mga account holders, no? If the price of gold will go down, then we just have to wait anyway. Yung physical gold nyo, nandyan naman, no? So, hintayin lang natin tataas yung presyo. So, again, in quantum metal, there is no promise of profit in quantum metal, no? Okay. So, our corporate structure, we are in Australia, USA, United Kingdom, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, recently opened in China, Qatar, no? Kami ng Qatar and Dubai and India. We are in South Africa, Nigeria, Saudi Arabia, no? And all other countries. I think we also have in Japan, no? Okay. So we are operating worldwide. So this is the whole business of quantum metal. Bakit po masasabi natin sustainable po yung business ni quantum metal? Because you can see here from the holding company, meron po on the left side, meron pong sariling mining si quantum metal. So quantum metal is not just relying on our sales, but si quantum metal meron pong sariling mining, no? Kumikita na po siya doon. So meron sariling mining si quantum metal, and then in fact, quantum metal is also funding other mining companies around the world, no? Meron itong si Bestra Mining, no, sa Australia. Recently, nag-fund siya ng $300 million, no? Kinukuha lang niya yung gold. So, that's other side of business, no? And Quantum Metal Capital, dito po under yung mga iba-ibang countries ng Quantum Metal. And also the Quantum Bullion Bank, no? Dati itong Australian Bullion Bank, pero ngayon binili po ni Quantum Metal, nagiging QM Bullion Bank, no? And also the Quantum Bullion Exchange Board, they handle the marketing and membership. And for our corporate, for our training, is handled by the corporate university, no? The school is based in London, so we don't have to go there. We have our trainings online. We have to take the exam before tayo considered as a consultant in quantum metal, no? So, kailangan natin mag-online training muna, no? Okay. All right. So, some of the business partners in Malaysia are Affin Bank, Bank Muamalat, no? Some of these banks, no? If their depositors are interested to buy gold, they buy it through quantum metal. So, si quantum metal po ang nag-provide ng system and also the gold, no? And also, marami ding awards si quantum metal in the financial world, no? Marami kasing natulungan na individual si quantum metal, no? Okay. And our local bank partner in the Philippines is Security Bank. So, dito po sa quantum metal, bawal po tumanggap yung members ng pera, no? We are not allowed to accept money because if you're interested to purchase gold, kayo po ang magdideposito sa Security Bank na corporate account ng quantum metal, no? So, bawal po tumanggap ng pera yung mga members, no? Okay. So, bakit quantum metal gold, no? Ang dami namang gold dyan. Why we always want to have the quantum metal gold? So, number one, meron po tayong sariling platform, no? We have our own apps, no? So, you can also access your account through the web or through the apps. So, ano po nandito sa apps natin, no? Ano po nandito sa account natin? So, here in our account, we can buy, we can sell, we can withdraw our physical gold. We can even transfer our gold from one account to another account, no? Para lang ito pong a simple online banking. Di ba sa online banking natin, yung pera is in the bank. But we have the full control. Either we want to pay or we want to withdraw. We want to transfer our funds, no? So we have the full control on our account. So same concept po dito sa quantum metal. Your gold is in rings, but you have the full control. Either you want to buy, you want to sell, you want to transfer your gold. You can even monitor your gold kung kumikita na ba tayo o hindi pa, no? So basically, nasa atin po yung full control. Okay. Fractional ownership, no? For the first time in history, pwede na po tayo makakabili ng gold bullion at a fraction, no? As low as 600 pesos, we can already buy gold. Why? Because of the fractional ownership, no? And liquidity, no? So ito yung pinakamagandang feature dito. You are very liquid because anytime you want to sell your gold, you just press the sell button, automatic po, no? Papasok yung payment sa account natin. So you are very liquid. The good news is whatever the price ngayon, yun po ang ibabayad ni Quantum Metal. So this is the kind of business na hindi na rin tayo maghanap ng buyer, sinong bibili ng gold natin. Because we can already trade the gold on our account mismo, no? We can just buy and sell on our account. Okay. Flexibility. We have products now you can make a 10% down payment and pay the balance when you sell your gold, no? So very flexible in payment. We can pay the balance only when we have sold our gold, no? Okay. And borderless 24/7, you can take out your money. Wala pong lock-in period dito because this is trading. Anytime you can take out your money as long as the banks are open and the market is open, you can take out your money, no? Okay. Optional to convert to physical gold. Bakit may option tayo pwedeng kukunin yung gold? Because here in Quantum Metal, no, you're not just buying a paper gold, no? Every amount that you put in Quantum Metal, meron po yung equivalent physical gold, no? 1:1 po yan. Bawal magbenta si Quantum Metal pag walang physical gold na backup, no? Kaya po, anytime gusto natin kukunin yung gold, meron talagang backup na physical gold. Okay. And transferability, I can easily transfer my gold from one account to another account. I just scan the QR code or get the storage account number. Very convenient, no? Parang GCash lang, I can easily transfer it, no? So scan na natin, pwede natin ilipat yung gold natin, no? Okay. So here in Quantum Metal, we have 4 products. We have the gold storage account, the gold convert account, the gold asset enhanced 5 times, and the gold asset enhanced 10 times. So very simple lang po ang gagawin dito, no? As soon as we have opened an account in Quantum Metal, ang gagawin natin is i-separate lang natin yung pera na panggastos and extra money. Okay, ulitin ko po ha. We just separate our money, the one we use for expenses and the extra money. Yung pang-expenses, pambayad ng kuryente, ng tubig, ng bahay, house rental, car amortization, the food, the school fees, medical fees, insurances, the travel, lahat po basta gastusin, no? Basta you want to pay something before you pay on your bills, ilagay mo muna dito sa gold storage account and the gold convert account, no? Before paying anything. If you have extra money, we recommend you put your money on the gold asset enhanced products because i-enhance natin yung pera natin. Okay. Let's discuss our products one by one. So ano po itong gold storage account? We call this the GSA. Okay, so this is just like you're opening a savings account in gold, no? You have the cash, you buy the physical gold, no? Pero the moment you converted your money to physical gold, you have transformed your money to physical gold, na-protect nyo na po yung pera nyo against inflation because once our money is in physical form, gold, hindi na po yan ma-print ng government because it's gold already, no? So you have protected your money against inflation. Okay, so now we have the option either pwede natin kukunin yung gold or we will leave it in brinks, no? So kung in few quantities, no, pwede natin kukunin yung gold. The 5 grams, 10 grams, 20 grams, 50, 100, 200, half kilo, 1 kilo, pwede natin kukunin yung gold. Pero let's say we already have 10 kilos, we already have 20 kilos or 30 kilos, hindi na po practical na kukunin yung gold. Bakit po? Because number 1, security problem, no? So medyo delikado, no? Basta marami din tayong gold. Second is, saan mo naman ilalagay yung gold? No? Third one, is it insured? So yun ang mga common problems, no? Is it insured? That's why we recommend, pag marami na po tayong gold, we leave it in rings. Okay. So the question now is, magkano naman yung presyo ng gold? So whatever the price of the in the world market, no, based on the LME, London Metal Exchange price, meron na pong markup si Quantum Metal na 7%. So for example, the price today is $100. So you pay around 107, no? $107 per gram. So yun ang pong markup ni Quantum Metal. Okay. So ito po, no? Inflation, example lang po ito. Inflation, binabaliwala po natin yung word na inflation. In 1980 po, yung 1,000 pesos natin makakabili ng 10 sako na bigas at 50 kilos per sack. No? So we can already buy 10 sacks of rice with our 1,000 pesos. Pero ngayon po, our 1,000 pesos, we could hardly even buy 1/2 sack of rice because of inflation. Oh, yan, binabaliwala po natin inflation. Every year merong inflation, every year hindi po nakakahabol yung sweldo. So every year naghihirap po tayo, no? Naghihirap po ang mga tao. Okay. Now we go to our second product. We call this the Gold Convert Account, the GCA. Okay. So traditionally, for example, nakabili po kayo ng gold worth 100,000 pesos. Paano kung gagamitin natin yung pera? What if we need the money for emergency? Ano pong gagawin natin sa gold? Either we sell our gold or ipon natin o iprinda natin, di ba? Isangla natin. Okay. Isangla natin. So, either ibenta natin or isangla. Okay. But in quantum metal, tingnan niyo po nakabili po kayo ng gold in quantum metal, you are allowed to take out 85% cash from the value of your gold. Pwede kayong mag-advance, no? 85% cash. But you still own the gold. Okay? So, quantum metal will only charge us a management fee of 3.5% per annum. No, that's 1 year, 365 days po yan, no? 3.5 lang, di ba? In a pawn shop, they will charge you 3.5% per month. If you cannot pay within 4 months, then wala na po yung gold nyo. But here, it's payable when able. No, it's all up to you. When can you pay it back? Okay? And let's say, for example, you just borrowed it for 30 days. So yun lang po, i-compute. 30 days lang po, no? I-prorate po yan. Okay. Ito po, no? Very common sa atin, no? Monthly expenses. We have the food, medical fees, school fees, travel, loan, house amortization, utilities, car amortization. For short, si Juna, si Judith, and si Bill. No? Very common po yan sa atin, no? Lahat po tayo, meron po tayong expenses. The question now is, yung mga pera na ginamit natin pambayad dito, kay Juna, kay Judith, and Bill, pwede ba yung ma-recover? Is there a way that we can recover? Yung mga pera na binayad natin? What do you think? For the guests, what do you think? Is there a way that we can recover? Anyone can answer?
No.
May chance po ma-recover? Wala na po. Yes. Diba? Hindi na po natin ma-recover, kaya nga tinatawag na expenses. So recover, it's impossible, no? But the next question, this is the next question na hindi po kayo makakatulog. The most intriguing question. What if you can recover all the money that you have spent? Are you interested?
Yeah.
Interesado ba lahat? Yes,
Yeah.
of course, di ba? Lahat po tayo interesado. Imagine you can recover all the money that you are spending. So how, no? Okay, let's go back to the history, no? Let's go back of what we are doing now. Income, expenses, income, expenses, income, expenses. Pag kulang po, saan po tayo babagsak? no? Pag kulang yung pera natin, doon po tayo pupunta kay loan, no? Loan doon, loan dito, loan doon. Very common po sa atin. Loan ka agad. Ang iba, I want to join a cooperative kay maka-loan. O, yun talaga. Ang purpose nila pag-join ng cooperative is because they can easily get a loan. Okay. So, may loan po tayo. The problem with the loan is meron pong due date and due na. Di ba? So, we have to pay our loan. Saan po natin kukunin yung pera? We get it from our income. O, bayaran natin. Kailangan bayaran yung loan. Pero the moment na magkukulang naman yung income natin because binayad natin sa loan, we go back to getting a loan again. Diba? So, it's a rat race. It's a poor mindset. And 90% of us are doing this one because ito po yung tinuro ng educational system natin. Ito yung tinuro ng parents natin. Ito yung tinuro ng friends, ng family. Very common to us, no? Pinapractice mo natin, 90% po ito. A poor mindset. So what is the rich mindset? Ang rich mindset pala is, if we have income, wag mo munang bayaran yung utang mo, wag mo munang bayaran yung mga bills. What you do is, you must put it in the asset column, no? Convert as fast as you can, no? Ilagay mo muna sa asset column before we spend anything. So yun pala ang rich mindset, no? That is the rich mindset. So then what is the quantum metal way, no? So ganito rin gagawin natin sa quantum metal. So if we have income, same thing, wag mo munang ibayad doon sa mga utang and your bills, no? What you do is 100% of your income, you buy everything to gold. Lahat po 100% po ng pera natin, ibili natin lahat ng gold. So ngayon, ang question nyo, paano na po yung expenses ko? What about my bills? So that's the question. Paano na yung expenses ko? So what you do is, you take out the 85%. Kasi kailangan mo bayaran yung bills mo, di ba? You take out the 85%. Pay your expenses. And now the question is, if you take out 85%, magkano po ang maiiwan? How much is left if we take out 85%? Anyone? How much is left if we take out 85%? Yes, 15%. Correct, no? 15% po. Totoo yan. We take out 100%, we take out 85%. Ang maiiwan is 15%. Diba? 15%. Pero the secret is here. This is money. You already converted your money to physical gold. Ano pong nakuha natin na 85%? Cash or gold? Diba? Klaro-klaro po dito, we got the cash. We got the 85% cash. Therefore, ang gold natin, nandito pa rin, buo pa rin yung gold natin. 100%. We just borrowed 85% cash from the value of our gold. So our gold here is still here 100%. If the price of gold will go up, it will be based on the weight of your gold. So therefore, it will be based on the 100%. Hindi po sa 15% yung tubo. Diba? So since you have preserved the 100% value of your gold, if the appreciation of gold is more than the amount that you borrowed, then you have recovered your expenses. Diba? So in simple terms, kung mangungutang po tayo kayo sa bangko, sino po ang magbabayad? Tayo. Diba? Kasi tayo ng utang. Kung mangungutang po ako kay gold, 85%, hindi po ako magbabayad, hindi si gold. So I will wait na yung appreciation ng gold will cover up my expenses until na ma-cover up niya. Anyway, it's payable when able. If the amount is more than the amount that I borrowed, then I have recovered my expenses. Diba? I will let the gold pay my utang. Hindi po ako magbayad sa aking utang. So yun po ang sikreto. Alright. So Bigyan natin ng example para mas maintindihan natin, no? Alright. So, let's say for example, naglagay po kayo ng 10,000 pero kailangan po natin magbayad ng kuryente, so we take out the 85%, nag-GCA tayo, gold convert account, kinonvert natin yung gold natin to cash. We took out 85%, we took out the 85, binayad po natin, pero yung gold natin na 10,000 nandito pa rin. Ginawa natin isang taon, 10,000 a month times 12 months, so we were able to accumulate around 120,000 worth of gold. But in reality, ang 102,000 wala na po yan kasi nag-withdraw po tayo ng 85 per month. Ginawa po natin 5 taon, 5 years, 10,000 a month times 60 months. So you have accumulated 600,000 worth of gold. But again, in reality, you're taking out 85 per month. So in total for 5 years, you've taken out 510,000 worth, no? Yung cash, no? Wala na po yung 510,000. Okay. Granting, yung presyo ng gold nagdoble in 5 years. So what will happen to your 600,000 worth of gold kung nagdoble? What will happen to your 600,000 kung nagdoble? Now it becomes
1.2 million.
Yes, correct. Kasi nagdoble na, di ba? So your 600,000 worth of gold naging 1.2 million. Then this time, ibenta mo na kasi kumita ka na. When you sell your gold, you have to pay back the amount that you borrowed, the 85%. Ito po, 510,000 yun. You pay back the 85% plus the management fees. So more or less 3.5% per annum. So in 5 years, mga 89,000 yan. So roughly, aabot yan 600,000. So 1.2 minus 600,000, you get the extra 600,000. Kaya po, first time in history po nangyari po ito. You have spent 510,000 for 5 years. Panggastos mo, ngayon, kumita pa po kayo ng extra 600,000. Di ba? So here in Quantum Metal, we can turn your expense into an asset. So ask anybody na may accounting background, ask them if their expense is an asset. It's always a liability. But here, in Quantum Metal, we can challenge. We can turn the expense into an asset. Kaya po, the more we spend here, the more we can spend, we can save. If we do it through the gold appreciation. Diba? Gets? All right. Simple lang po. For example, bumibili po tayo ng isang kotse, no? Usual way of paying a car, let's say a 1 million car, magda-down po tayo ng 20%, mag-monthly po tayo ng for 5 years. Then after 5 years, nabayaran na natin yung bangko, nasa atin na po yung kotse. Pero maybe our 1 million car, nag-depreciate na yan, that's around already 500,000 pesos. Pero if you are smart enough, bago po tayo nag-down payment, no? Binili mo natin ng gold, withdraw the 85%, o kulang na naman, no? 85% lang nakuha ko, so dagdagan ko lang ng 15%, I'll make a down payment. Same with the monthly amortization, I buy gold, withdraw 85%, just add 15, and make the monthly amortization. After 5 years po, nabayaran ko na yung bangko, nasa akin na yung kotse, pero nang tumaas yung presyo ng gold, nabawi ko po lahat yung binayad ko sa bangko. No? So yun po ang recovery natin, no? Just like OFW, no, very common naman ng mga kababayan natin, no? Ano po yung very common na reklamo? When they come home, no, ang reklamo nila, wala ring naipon, no? So it is our obligation now. We can teach them the Quantum Metal way. How? Before they send money to the Philippines, they buy gold, withdraw 85%. No? Send it to the Philippines. They keep on doing that in how many years? Pag uwi nila sa Pilipinas, kahit na po sasabihin dito, naubos yung pera mo kasi ginamit doon, hiniram ni ano, naubos yung pera mo, and they will not be worried because they have the chance to recover everything. Kung tataas yung presyo, bawi lahat yung nagastos nila. Diba? Amazing? Okay, now we go to our extra money, no? Okay, so this product is intended for our expenses, no? So, ang iba sinasabi, kung hindi ko kunin yung 85%, kunin nyo ng 85% kasi intended ito for expenses, no? Gamitin nyo yun. Anyway, mababawi naman sa appreciation ng gold, no? So this product is intended for expenses. We go now to our extra money. So what is the extra money, no? Okay, we call this the GAE 10X, no? The Gold Asset Enhanced 10 times. Number one rule, wag na wag po ilalagay dito ang pera kung gagamitin nyo. For sure, malulugi talaga kayo, no? So never put your money here if it is intended for expenses because kailangan po meron tayong holding power po dito, no? Hindi natin alam kailan tataas yung presyo ng gold, kailan din babagsak, no? So, kailangan meron tayong holding power. So, tinatawag po ito Gold Asset Enhanced 10 times. This is sold per unit. One unit will cost us around $250, no? That's around 14,000 pesos, no? Pero merong management fee na 3.5%, so it will cost us around $328 per unit. Minimum of one unit, you can buy 2, 3, 4, 5, or 10 units, or 100 units, depende po sa inyo. No? So minimum of one unit is 250. For example, naglagay po kayo ng $250. Automatic yan, i-divide yan ni Quantum Metal kung magkano yung presyo niya, no? For example, the price of Quantum Metal, assuming yung presyo ngayon is $60. So dito po sa GA10X, meron pong spread or markup si Quantum Metal na 3% per gram. So let's assume yung presyo ni Quantum Metal is at $60 per gram. Okay. When you put in 250, automatic, i-divide yan kung magkano ang grammage, no? By the price. So with your 250, you can own around 4.16 grams of gold. But the system is 10x, no? Times 10. So yung 250 na nilagay mo, nagiging 2,500, no? You are allowed to hold times 10 of what you put in. O nagiging 2,500 na. No? 2,500 yung holdings natin. Bakit po? Merong counterpart si Quantum Metal na for every unit that you put in, meron siyang counterpart na 9 units more. Diba? So, 9 plus 1. So, you are now holding all increase of the price of gold to double our money. Kasi pinahiram tayo. Nakuha? Diba? We only need a 10% increase. Magdodoble yung pera natin. Let's say over here, you put in 250, tumama ng 10%, nag-gain ka ng 250. So ngayon, meron ka na ng 500. So what you do is, we will do the compounding. Meron na kayong 500, we wait for a while, no? When the price is low, we buy again. Pag tumama na naman ng 10%, magiging 1,000 yung pera natin. Benta naman natin, we have 1,000 now. When the price will go down, we buy again at 1,000. If the price will hit at 10%, magiging 2,000 na. 2, magiging 4, 4, magiging 8, 8, magiging 16. And here in GAE 10X, we can do the compounding. Pwede natin parang i-roll lang, no? Why? Because comparing GAE 10X with stock market, diba? Alam niyo ba yung stock market in Forex, diba? I think familiar po kayo nun. Okay, stock market. Naglagay po kayo ng pera sa stock market, tumaas yung presyo ng stocks, may profit po tayo. Pag babagsak yung presyo, what will happen to our money? Nawawala po yung pera natin kasi meron pong tinatawag ng margin call. Sometimes we lose our money, we have to top up or they will close our account, no? Kailangan po natin mag-abono or else they will close our account. So nawawala po yung puhunan natin, no? May margin call. In gold, kung tataas yung presyo ng gold, may gain po tayo, pero pag bumagsak po yung presyo ng gold, hindi po natutunaw yung gold natin. Kung bumili po kayo ng 100 grams, even if the price of gold will go down, you still have the 100 grams. So hindi po nawawala yung pera natin. And that's why gold is not an investment because there's no risk, there's no yield, there's no return. If you bought 1 kilo today, 10 years after, 1 kilo pa rin yan. So you don't lose your money in gold because it's physical gold. Di ba? So hintay lang tayo, di ba? So here, we can do the compounding kasi hindi po nawawala yung puhunan natin. Imagine your $250 is 14,000. You compound that 10 times po. You compound your 14,000 10 times and that will come out 14 million. 14,000 times 2 maging 28. 28, bili ka na naman, multiply it by 2, di ba? Until 10 times, your 14,000 will end up 14 million. And we can do that in 5 years. Bakit po magagawa natin po ito? 5 years. On the average, so remember po, on the average per year, tumatama po ng 4 to 5 times ng 10%. 4 to 5 times in a year. 2022, it went 4 times, no? Tumama ng 4 times yung 10%. Last year, tumama po ng 5 times yung 10%. This year, dalawa na, no? Twice na, tumama ng 10%. So on the average, 4 to 5 times in a year. So imagine, if you were able to put 1 million last year, tumama po kayo ng 5 times, magiging 32 million po yon. Again, the risk is nasa atin because nasa atin po yung full control. No, we can take out our money anytime. So depende po sa atin, no? I'll show you a real account, no? Ano ba yun? A real account. A quick view lang, no? This is a real account. Tingnan niyo po. He bought 4.4 million January 28. After 45 days, kumita po siya ng 1.1 million. Now, meron na siyang 5.5. Tapos, binili niya ulit, no? He did the compounding. He bought again. He was able to buy 300 units. After 21 days, may profit naman siya ng 2.8 million kasi tumaas yung presyo ng gold. And so, after 2 months and 21 days, ang total profit niya is 3.9 million. 2 months and 21 days. That's 87% increase. Diba? 4.4 million niya nagiging 8 million in 2 months and 21 days. So it's really amazing, no? Okay. So real data po ito. 5 years, tingnan niyo po. 5 years yung presyo ng gold tumama ng 101%. So if we will apply this data to our products, tingnan natin ano po mangyayari, no? 2019, the price of gold was around 2,200 per gram. 2024, 4,400. But I think today is 4,600, no? Ito lang muna, 4,400. So may increase po na 2,200 per gram. 101%, no? Okay. Let's apply. You bought GSA worth 1 million. pero ginamit niyo po yung 85%, no, for your expenses. So in total, nakakuha na po kayo 850,000 or kinuha niyo para pang expenses, di ba? Okay. Now, tumaas ng 101%. So, it will be based pa rin sa 1 million, no? So, 100% pa rin. So, your 1 million becomes 2 million. Sell your gold, pay back the 850, you get the extra 1.1 million. Basically, your 150,000 dyan, nagiging 1.1 million in 5 years. Based on the real data. Okay? Kung dito nyo naman nilagay sa 10x, no? For example, you put in 1 million times 10, so you are now holding worth 10 million. The price went up by 101% in 5 years, so your 10 million becomes 20 million. Sell your gold, pay back the 9 million, you get the extra 11 million. So imagine, no, your 1 million becomes 11 million in 5 years based on the real data. O, di ba? Again, the risk is nasa atin because anytime we can take out our money. So, kung dito po, kung iniwan lang po natin yung pera, what if you did the compounding? So, 1 million, you compound that 10 times to come out 1 billion. Di ba? Okay. Okay, so I'll just share to you another way how to earn from the rewards, no? Parang itong laway lang puhunan natin dito, no? If you share the products, you also have a commission, no? It's a rewards, referral system. Okay. So ito yung sinasabi nila, no? If we will not earn while we are sleeping, we will work for the rest of our lives. Diba? Kahit na anong gagawin natin, kung ang income natin, if it's an active, kahit na malaki masyado yung kita natin, basta active, we can never be financially free because it's an active. Kailangan po natin ng passive. And this is our passive income because ito yung sinasabi na kumikita tayo while natutulog tayo. No? If some of you have referred somebody in US or in other countries, kung bumili sila, may kita po kayo dito kahit natutulog kayo. Then you are leveraged, no? So how to join the program? Number 1 is be an introducer. Ang requirement po is just buy 1 unit of GAE 10X, yung $250. Okay. So once you are introducer, you can now enjoy a 2% discount on your next purchase. Pero kung may bibili sa'yo directly under you, you get 2% commission. If somebody buys worth 1 million, you get 2%, you get 20,000 outright. Di ba? Pero sa next purchase niya, wala na po kayong commission, wala kayong overriding commission because siya naman ang may discount. Di ba? So all you have to do is be promoted to yellow. No? You try to be promoted to yellow. Ang requirement lang is 5 members under you become introducer. Kailangan lang mag-introducer na 5 members and accumulate sales of $7,500 US, no, or 30 units of GAE 10X. Remember po, cumulative, no? You can do it in 1 day, 2 days, 1 week, 1 year, 10 years. Nasa inyo po. Wala pong requirement every month. Walang qualifying, walang cut-off, walang quota. Bahala po kayo, no? Because dito po sa Quantum Metal, wala pong pinipilit dito, no? Because this is personal finance, no? So wala pong tayong pinipilit na tao. If they want to join, then it's good. If ayaw na, okay pa rin, no? Basta wag natin pilitin yung tao, no? So all cumulative. You may do it in 10 years, 1 year, 1 day. It's all up to you. Once you reach the 7,500, you can already take the exam and then be promoted to yellow. Tataas na din yung discount nyo. It's around 7%. Somebody will buy 1 million, 7% commission. That's 70,000. And now you can now enjoy an override commission of 5%. That's 700 pesos per unit. For example, in your team, meron pumasok na 20 units. O meron ka na ng 14,000 today. Saan po kayo? Hindi natutulog. O, di ba? So that is leveraging already, no? So, for example, you have convinced say a security agency na gusto mag 5% po sa inyo yon, no? Every month, every time they buy gold, 1.5 sa inyo yon. Diba? So on the average, yellow will be earning around 200 to 300,000 pesos per month extra income. Iba po yung gold, no? Because yung gold, sarili yung trading yon. You did it for savings, so you want to protect your money against inflation. You want to enhance your wealth, no? So iba yung gold. This one is the reward side, no? Income from your team. Okay. When you reach the blue, 3 to 5 million per month. Okay na siguro yun. Diba? When you reach the black, it's 3 to 5 million per day, no? So marami na po nakakabot dyan. Okay. So, this is how to be a consultant. Again, minimum is 1 unit of GA10X. Get 5 members under you. Accumulate 30 units of GA10X worth 7,500. Take the exam and be promoted to consultant. No? Okay. So, ito po yung this is how we do it. For example, meron po kayong 5 under you. Direct po ito ha. They can get 6 units each, or maybe ang isa kumuha ng 26 units tapos yung apat nag-iisa lang, basta total 30 units, pwede rin kayo ma-promote to consultant. Or maybe you have 10 directs under you who got 3 units each, no? 30 units din. Or maybe 30 members under you who got 1 unit each, 30 units din yon. So in total, 30 units, you will be promoted to consultant. Okay. So dito po sa Quantum Metal, lahat po profit sharing. Depende po saan kayo na level. For example, you are in the level of a dealer, yellow, so 7% yung level nyo. Kung kayo po nakabenta, of course, ang profit nyo is 7%. Pero if your member under you, let's say introducer, siya po nakabenta, so 2% na sa kanya, 5% pupunta sa inyo po. So, profit sharing lahat. Okay, just a sample, no? For example, ito. Diba? Share ng share siya, diba? Kumita po siya ng 232,000 in a month. Diba? Okay. So, remember po here in Quantum Metal, kung yung client nyo kikita po, ano po mangyayari? They will buy again, or probably they will put more. Diba? So kung kayo po ang nag-refer, malaki din yung ang rewards nyo. Diba? Okay. Ito po, example, siya po ang nakashare na yung 5.5 million. Magkano pong rewards niya? It's around 298,000 just for 5 minutes. Bumili po ng 5.5 million. Diba? So you'll never know kung sino yung kinakausap nyo. No? Okay. So one of our top sellers in Malaysia, no, she's earning $269,000 per day. No? Imagine that's 15 million per day. Kayang-kaya, no? If they can do it, why hindi kaya ng Pinoy? So these are the consultants in Quantum Metal. No? Ito pa lang, marami pa. We are around 60 consultants na sa Pilipinas, no? Every day we have promotions, no? We have new consultants coming in every day. Okay, so last slide. If you had a chance to listen today and do not practice it 4 years from now, you are not helping yourself to see changes in your life, no? Lahat po ito, what I have presented to you, bale-wala po ito pag walang action. No? Pag wala po kayong gagawin, forget it, no? So, kailangan po may action tayo, no? Yung sinasabi ni Genie, no? Your wish is my command. So, nasa atin po, no? Anong gusto natin. So dreams will always be a dream without an action. What you are today is because of what you have decided 5 years ago. What you want to be 5 years from now will all depend on what you decide today. Again, it's all about choice. So, Quantum Metal is not into network marketing. We are not into direct selling. Registrations are for free. Just get the link from the one who invited you. Register. Use your government IDs, no passport, driver's license, UMID, national ID, and link your bank account. No, as soon as you're ready, then you can already purchase the gold. No, so coming soon, no, our QM jewelry. So if we buy jewelry, pwede tayo mag 85% muna, no, para ma-recover natin yung lahat ng binibili natin na jewelry. And for the QM pharmacy, coming soon. So every time we buy medicines, no, meds, pwede natin ma 85% muna para mabawi natin lahat, no? Okay. So for more information, you can check on our website, quantummetal.com.ph or qmmachines.world, no, or go to the one who invited you, no, and ask for more information about quantum metal, how you can start right away. All right, so that ends our presentation. Now we go to the question and answer portion. So kung meron po kayong mga questions, you can type it on the chat box or unmute your mic, no, kung meron kayong mga questions para masagot po natin, or meron po kayong gustong ma-clarify, no, para you can start right away, no. Okay, so let me read the question. Sir, so ask ko lang po, medyo nalito po kasi di po ba nag-secure ng gold natin si Brink, Singapore, pero pag withdraw is nasa Malaysia po, sir. Tama po ba? Yes. It's all on your option kung gusto nyo i-withdraw yung physical gold nyo. We have, kasi marami tayong na-stored gold. Meron sa Brinks, meron sa Malaysia, no? We have na Bullion Bank. So, depende po saan yung convenient na mawi-withdraw natin. So, we have our partners, no? So, si Brinks po, isa lang sa partners natin, si Brinks. Kasi if you want to withdraw your physical gold, because when you have less than 10 kilos of gold, you will be under the account of Quantum Metal. If you have more than 10 kilos, then you will have your own account, Brinks. No, Brinks is all over the world, no, anywhere. Anywhere. And now we already have our own Quantum Bullion Bank based in Australia. So mostly our gold are stored in Australia now, no? So Bullion Bank. So Quantum Metal Bullion Bank is just like JP Morgan, no? It's also a bullion bank, no? So we are getting bigger because we have our own bullion bank. Yes, pwede. Pwede sabay G10X and GCA, no? Kasi iba-iba yung purpose, no? So you can do it at the same time. So remember, GSA, yung purpose natin, no? Parang itong savings account. So ang purpose natin doon is to protect our money against inflation, no? Rather than saving our money saving our asset in money na alam natin we will lose it because of inflation. So, i-convert natin to physical gold, no? So, yun yung GSA. And if we want to use it for our expenses, no, we want to recover yung expenses natin, kaya po tayo mag-GCA, convert our gold into cash kasi gagamitin natin. But in the end, ma-recover natin because yung appreciation ng gold. And then yung GA10X is to enhance our wealth. So iba naman yung purpose. It's for the extra money. Di ba? So depende po ano yung purpose ng money nyo. Basta yun na po, just remember, i-separate nyo yung expenses and the extra money. No? So wag ilagay po sa GA10X kung gagamitin yun. Kasi malulugi po tayo doon. You will be forced to withdraw your money sa GA10X kahit hindi pa tumaas yung presyo ng gold. Kasi gagamitin nyo yung pera. How much po, sir, a minimum na invest to start? Okay. So I just want to clarify, you're not investing, you are buying gold, no? Okay. So for the GSA, the gold storage account is as low as 600 pesos. And if you want to convert, no, at least pala, kailangan 2,000 pesos, no, kung gusto niyo i-withdraw yung 85%. And for the enhancement, the GA10X, it's around 19,000 plus, no? Kasi you have to buy the 1 unit. So just remember, 600, 2,000, and 19,000. Sir, sabi mo, we can 85% cash sa GSA. Okay, so yes, you can take out the 85%, no? As a cash in the as in when you GCA, you convert. The 15% is still yours. You can withdraw it anytime you like. No? So yung naiwan na 15%, wala po yung lock-in period ha. You can take it anytime. It is still yours. Pero what we suggest is, do not take it out kung hindi pa kumikita yung 15% na naiwan nyo. I believe gold now is staying around, is peg nasa $80, no? Per gram ngayon. No? Nakapeg ang presyo ngayon at $80, hindi na bumababa, no? Sir, paano po ba process ng pag-withdraw? Ma'am Marnel, yung ibig niyo sabihin pag-withdraw ng physical gold or pag-withdraw ng pera? Cash po. Okay. All right. So, ganito po yan, no? When we open our account in Quantum Metal, kailangan natin i-upload yung government ID and also our bank statement, your bank account. I-connect natin sa account natin. Kailangan natin ipa-approve sa KYC sa Malaysia, no? That is a requirement for AMLA. No? This is to determine na sa inyo talaga yung account. So once na-link na yung account nyo, so anytime you want to withdraw, automatic po yan papasok sa account nyo yung pera. No? So every time you withdraw, it's the contract is around 1 to 5 days, but usually it's 1 to 2 days yung papasok yung ano nyo, yung pera. How long the approval KYC, sir? Okay. So if everything is correct, no, it takes only 5 minutes. No? Basta lahat po correct. Clear yung na-upload, same information na nilagay natin, no? So ma-approve ka agad yan. Nag-deposit po ako ng J10 but hindi pa naipasok kasi mataas pa ng gold. Yes. Once you have deposited it in Security Bank, wala namang problema. Just make sure you will not lose the deposit slip, no? Or picture nyo kaagad. or lagyan niyo po ng pangalan, no? Kahit even if you lose the receipt, basta may picture na may proof kayo na sa inyo yung deposito, no? Kasi pag nawala po yung resibo, doon po tayo magkakaproblema, no? Very important po 'yon. Pero kahit na hindi po niyo na-process pa, no, nakadeposito na po kayo, hindi pa kayo bumili kasi medyo mahal, see, it's okay. It's okay, no? Sir, ask ko lang po yung sa recovery po kahit magkano ipasok ba? Yes, correct, no? Correct po yan, Salvi, no? Sa 80 sa GCA, the 85%, regardless of the price ng gold, you just keep on doing it kasi yung purpose nyo is yung expenses, di ba? Makabawi tayo. Alam naman natin na yung presyo ngayon is lower than the price next year. So we just keep on doing that, no? So 85%, ganun lang ginagawa natin. Darating yung how many months after year, tataas na din yon, so makabawi pa rin tayo, no? Anytime bang gusto natin mag-withdraw? Yes, anytime you can withdraw your money, it is your money, no? So, ang charges ni Quantum Metal is only the 3.5% per annum as a management fee, no? Let's say 30 days lang, so yun lang po i-compute. Very minimal, no? Very minimal talaga. No? So doon ka lang doon lang ikakaltas when you sell your gold. Hindi naman kayo sisingilin, oh, isang taon na dapat yung bayad, no? Wala po ganoon, no? Only when you sell your gold. I bought a QMGT and Norbler from the email for 3 days. You may I think if you bought QMGT, you may message Lynn, no? Siya po ang in charge dyan. Pero if you have filled out the form from the website, so for sure makakatanggap po kayo ng email. Make sure lang po na naka-fill out ka sa form sa pre-sale form in the website. And then matatanggap po yan, so automatic ma-reply po yan. No? Sir, sa GCA, kailangan ba ng on bank account din? Yes, no? So, very important po sa GCA. Ito po, protection din natin ito, no? Quantum Metal will not pay to other person's bank account. No? Kung sino po ang naka-register sa Quantum Metal, kailangan same pa rin yung bank account. Hindi po yan pwede. Hindi rin po pwede magbayad po tayo para sa ibang account. That will be considered third party po, no? So that's also our protection, no? Kahit na, let's say for example, may naka-open ng account nyo, gusto niyang kukunin yung pera nyo, hindi po magbabayad si Quantum Metal kung hindi nyo po yung bank account. No? Hi, Insect, no? Naka-fill out na ba kayo ng ng form sa pre-sale sa website? Yes. Okay, that's good. So hindi po pwede mag-pay for other person. That will be considered third party, no? So mas hassle po yun kasi you will be required to write authorization, no? So hindi po pwede, no? So if you want to pay for somebody else, you have to do the yung over the counter. Over the counter po.
Sir, excuse me. Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes. Go ahead,
yes,
please.
Itatanong ko lang po, sir, doon sa may bank account. Kasi nag-download po ako ng apps. Tapos, yung bank account po ba, nandito na rin po kung saan po pwedeng magbabayad? Kasi hindi ko pa na-fill upan.
Ano po yung ibig sabihin mo sa ano po sa
Doon po sa, di ba po yung add bank account, may nakalagay add bank account. Tapos bank
yes,
account number, yung, it's ano po yun, ito yung sa akin. Tapos yung pangalan ko, bank name.
yes po.
And then, yung account holder name sa akin din po yun. Tapos, yung account swift code po yun, sir. Saan makukuha yun?
Okay. So yung Swift code po, for example, ano po yung bangko nyo?
BPI po.
I-search nyo po sa ano po, sa Google, i-type
Aha.
nyo Swift code of BPI. Lalabas po yan.
Opo. Tapos, and then din po, may katanungan din po ako, yung itong account na BSB.
Ano po, disregard lang po yan.
Aha.
Importante
Hindi
yung
ko na,
yung Swift
hindi
code.
ko na to pipil upan, sir. I-ignored ko to.
Ignore na lang yan.
Ito, opo.
Kasi sa
Yun lang
Malaysia,
po. Tapos, isusubmit na siya.
submit.
And then,
Tapos
and then po yung CP number ko, hindi ko ma-input yung sa roaming ko, hindi lumalabas yung code. Pwede po bang gamitin ko yung CP number dito sa Hong Kong?
kasi I think naka-register po kayo sa Pilipinas, di ba?
Yes.
Oo. Pwede naman ano nyo po, ilagay nyo lang yung area code, di ba? Or country
Opo.
code. I-type nyo lang po yung country code.
Opo, pero pag binind ko siya, may nakalagay doon, di ba, yung CP number, tapos may katabi siyang bind. Tapos may lumalabas, pagkatapos na ma-press ko yung bind, lumalabas doon po, enter the code 6 digit. Tapos inintay ko sa SMS, hindi pumapasok, hindi siya sabi ko
okay.
baka hindi pumapasok sa roaming.
Kasi lately po, pag cellphone number hindi pumapasok yung TAC code. So better
Opo.
we use the email. Mas faster po yung email. Email na lang po.
Naipasok ko na rin po yung TAC na yun dun sa email kasi yun din po ang ginamit ko. Pero may katanungan din po din. Mayroon din po na CP number din po na mayroon din doon na i-input mo yung mobile number.
Pero
So
sa
kahit
profile,
kahit na po ba wala ng mobile number akong ilagay?
Yes, okay lang po. Mas okay na po walang mobile number. Importante talaga yung email kasi doon po sila magko-communicate.
Opo, mayroon naman po akong nilagay.
Okay lang po yun.
Okay, salamat sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
How to retrieve
one more thing pa, sir.
Yes, go ahead please. Go ahead.
Pagsasabayin ko po yung sa savings at saka yung sa recovery, pwede po yon?
Yes, pwede talaga.
Okay.
Kasi sa recovery, hindi ka maka-withdraw ng 85% pag wala po kayo nilagay sa savings.
Okay.
Doon kayo makukuha. So papasok kayo sa savings, mag-withdraw kayo ng GCA 85%. So gawin mo yan no? Parang force savings na 15%. Kalimutan mo lang yan. And then masusurprise po kayo no? After a while, kumita na pala, no? Pwede ko na palang kunin to.
Opo. Pero pwede po yun every month na magsi-savings ako tapos kasabay ang recovery, pwede yun? O one time ka lang mag-savings?
Pwede. Anytime. Pwede po. Kahit na ilang beses gusto mo. Wala po yung Pwede. How many times a day? Depende po sa inyo. Wala po yung limit.
Okay. Sige po. Salamat po.
Welcome. How to retrieve the account if you log in is nakalagay wrong user name and password. Okay. So just forget the password po. No? Forget the password and then they will send you attack code. No? Attack code sa inyong email. Pero kung nalagay niyo po is phone number, so recently they cannot send attack code to your phone number, so you have to request to bind your email. You have to send an email to this sa care, sa customer service natin, .org. So, you have to send email, i-request nyo po na gusto nyong i-bind yung email nyo sa account nyo kasi yung hindi kayo nakaka-receive ng attack code sa phone number. So, you have to write an email. Kailangan sa inyong email po. Hindi po kami pwede mag-email, no? Kailangan galing po sa inyong email, no? Okay. Yung 3.5% processing fee every time you withdraw, ito. Yung 3.5% processing fee every time you withdraw, hindi po. 3.5% is i-compute po yan doon sa 85% na kinuha nyo. So 3.5% will be computed on the na-advance na 85%. But that is 3.5% per annum. Per annum po. So iba po yung 50%. 15% yun lang po yun. 50% talaga ang na-save nyo, no? So 3.5% will be i-calculate po yan after how many days, no? And it is very minimal, no? Hindi nyo po yung mapapansin kasi yung increase ng gold will cover up all the 3.5%. No, it's more than 3.5%. 3.5% management fee per year. Pero ang gold is increasing at 10 to 14% a year. Di ba? So, baliwala po ito. 2.5%. Sir, kung naka-float ang pera, pwede ba ma-transfer to other bank account? No, you cannot transfer, no? Kung nasa float po yung pera, you have to take it out to your bank. No? I-withdraw nyo po yan, pwede nyo ma-transfer sa anong bank. Ay ma'am, BPI din po ako. Okay, yes. This is the SWIFT code for BPI. Okay. Wala nang questions? All right. Wala nang questions? All right. So, thank you everyone for joining tonight's presentation. So, marami po nag-join tonight and hope to see you on Friday. And tomorrow, don't forget, no, RQMGT, Quantum Metal Gold Token, no? For sa mga guests ngayon, no? Learn also about Quantum Metal Gold Token. It's really amazing. It's another project, no? Be a part of our community, no? And benefited din kayo, no? All right, so thank you everyone and see you, tomorrow for QMGT and on Friday. Thank you and good morning.